Hey, it's Ty with Credit Suite, and in this business credit funding tip, we're going to talk about how you can use only consumer credit to qualify for business financing. So unsecured business financing provides some of the highest loan amounts even for startup business. Now, this is a little known about product where you can get 0% credit lines for your business with no financials required. It's stated income, no bank statements, no tax returns needed. Now, these accounts you're getting do report to the Business Credit Reporting Agency. So not only are you able to get up to $150,000 in financing at 0%, but you can get that money while building business credit that you can then get without a personal guarantee or a personal credit check. Now, as I mentioned, you can get up to $150,000, which is the highest amount we've ever seen for startup businesses, and it's easily 5 times the amount of financing that you'd be able to get on your own. So this is unsecured business financing is a great solution for any business that wants no doc financing, that wants the most amount of money based only on consumer credit quality. Visit us online at creditsuite.com to learn more.